Rich is happy for the year. Rich is happy for the year. Steak is inside there. It's working. And you know, right? If you don't press that subscribe button. Why? Raw, that echoed for bear. Oh, it's season 6, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, you thought it was a normal thing. No, it's not normal. I'm nearly slipping out the tree. Whoa, Ben, chill out. You know what I mean? Ringo's there. You get me? 24-hour kitchen.
You see me?
We tried to set up a tent.
We there, but it never worked. See ya?
It didn't go. Nah, it didn't work.
We tried to set up a tent. It never worked. All right.
But with that being said, let me just sit down here for a sec.
Ember, nice out here, not true?
It's nice. We're in Croydon. It's season 6. It's Cook and Vibe. That's Up and Coming Productions. My name's M.R. That's Ringo Vision. This is Cook and Vibe. Today we are cooking sirloin steak in mud.
Yeah, man. It's not a joke thing.
Outside.
Outside.
In mud, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually inside, not under the ground, in mud. Steak in mud today, people. You know what I'm saying? So, why? Let's get into today's ingredients. Why? All right, people. So, basically, you can see my little setup here. All right. You have one pepper for me, Ringo?
Yeah.
You have scallion? It don't matter. All right, so basically, bit of tin foil, right? And what I want to do is I've got my nice piece of sirloin steak there. You see that? Lovely and nice. You get me? So yeah, whack that in the tin foil because we're gonna want it to be covered. You know what I'm saying? So we've got some Maggi all-purpose seasoning here. Simple little things. So I'm just gonna give that a rub in with the all-purpose. You get me? Ringo's there. He's doing a mad thing as well. So after this, make sure you go over to Ringo Vision and check out his episode. So I'm gonna just get some seasoning. See it there? Respect my G. So the meat seasoned. I just want to put a couple bits of pepper in there. Might grow some peppers there. You never know. So yeah, I'm just put little peppers inside here with it because we're like a little pepper steak kind of thing we're doing here. You get me? So, and then this is Scotch bonnet there. You're this nice sharp Ringo.
Yeah, no, you can't play with the knife and stuff.
I thought it was like a butter knife.
No, mad.
And like that. So there we go. There we have our steak. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap that up like that. Now wrap it up one more time. All right, so that's preparation for today. Now the next part is where it gets a little bit crazy. And I've seen this online. They actually done it with clay, but I don't really care, to be honest. It's Cook and Vibe, season 6. We're into the mix. Ringo Vision's there. It's 24 hours, not 12. So after 13 hours, it's still there.
We there, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we there.
So right now, we need mud. See the fire there? The fire's ready to go. So, yes, people! I dig up some mud now. If we put the steak around, we're gonna wrap this.
I say you wrap it in some more foil. One more foil.
One more foil, just so we don't get no dirt inside.
Yeah.
A chill, Ringo. So once that's wrapped up again, dig up our mud, and like I said, we're gonna actually wrap the mud round this. So this is gonna be in mud.
In the fire.
And then we're gonna put it in the fire and see if it cooks. Oi oi! You got Ross in the building, come on. It's funny, he said last week it was funny, yeah? Done Cajun shrimp on the chain, and he's like, yeah man, I love jerk shrimp.
I don't know why I thought it was jerk.
Hey!
Either way, it's banging, yeah.
We're in the forest, people!
Yeah, man.
This is it.
It's a mad one.
It's freezing though. I hope you lot appreciate what we do for you. Honestly, because we're like, we just know we're going outside to cook and doing some mad thing just so you get some like decent content. Not just cooking steak indoors. Like, you know what I'm saying? See, see it there? It was like that was put there for me. See that, people? One big patch of mud. You see it there? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill up the bag with mud and then take it over there. It's gonna be a messy job today. Just wanna get past that first top layer there. Go. Sometimes you got different ways of cooking, people. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't want to pick up no doo-doo, people. We don't want to wrap my steak in a doo-doo. Yeah, look, because it's getting a little bit all this. I don't know. I don't like the colour of that bit under there, Ringo.
It's too light.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's looking
No,
a bit.
it's mud, but look.
Let me listen.
Yeah. Collecting mud for fresh dirt. People, we found some clay. We've managed to get down to the clay, which is probably better than the mud that we want to use. So we're just digging up some clay right now. Keep him smelling like for the doo-doo. You know what I mean? But yeah, we are work, man. Cook and Vibe season 6, you know? Steak in mud. Oi, oi. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ding, ding, ding. Takes 1 second. So we ain't digging no more mud now. It's clay we're dealing with now. Because we want it to like stick together. Do you know what I'm saying? So,
Hey, Ender.
yo.
No, kid.
What I say?
Find something, no?
You find money?
Find
Money you find?
Yeah. Money to find down there, brother.
Yo!
When you come look, the clear rich.
Rich! Rich is happy for the year. Rich is happy for the year.
The clear rich.
Yeah, man, the clay rich. Think though.
Pink.
Do you know that's what I thought was the doo-doo? When I smelled that clay, I thought it was doo-doo blood. No, man.
Better.
Oh, shh. I'm getting stuck in this. But yeah, this is a good surrounding, people. There's a bit of snot here. Alright, I was saying, and look on that. Season 6. It's January. Yeah? While you're chilling out in your yard right now with your Jamaican cigarette, chilling out. Man's outside digging clay.
There you go, mate.
Cheers, bruv. Sweet. Right, I think this should be a little bit more. You the bait.
Good dig, boy.
Right, son. Right, son. Sweet. Stay. Got my mud and my clay in the bag. Now the next step, people, is we've got to wet this up because we have to make it wet. Yeah, we can't do it dry. So the next thing is like building like a big slosh of this. The man's gonna have to set out somewhere and then slosh it up with some water, get it nice and wet, and then we can mould it around the steak and get the fire going and, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right. Don't want to lose no mud. You see it here, people, we'll just mix up, take out any little hard stones them that we can. You see me? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly wet this up now.
Put it in there.
Gonna wet this up and mix it all together and make it all soft and yeah, alright, see that? Alright, yeah. You see me, people? Now it's time to like just build that.
We're doing 2 months more apart.
Yeah. It's making my hands cold, you know, bro. Yo. Who would have thought, man, is doing this with that? Yo, I'm mad taking up, people. Right now, man's building like a little mud oven. Not really an oven, but you see me? Yo, my hands are freezing.
It's fast now because the fire is cooking now, so.
Okay.
We'll move this over.
Alright, so at this point, I feel like my mud is wet enough. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of leave a layer like that. Alright, you see it there? Now, just gonna build around it. Alright. Man's ready to go, you know. So inside here is our steak. We've covered it with mud and clay. Yeah, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it straight in the fire. All right, so let this fire kick for a second. And then we're gonna like put it in it and then like put like wood around it as well, so it's like just fully just burning in the fire. We ain't trying to put it on top or underneath, or it's just going in there and we're just blazing up that. You see me? Yo, look at this. Oh, lost a bit of mud. There we go. Our steak is inside there.
Make him lie.
Cover that piece there. Yes, people. All right, you see it there? Mud on the fire. Steak inside. Gonna wash off my hands. And then we're just gonna blaze that fire. I mean, we're gonna blaze that fire. We're gonna blaze the fire. Is it me, Ringo?
Cool, man. Right now, set where I set the fire, brother.
Yeah, man, right now, people, we're on a wood hustle. Yeah, we're on a wood hustle right now. Because remember I say the heat's got to get through that mud. Do you know what I'm saying? So right now we're just filling as much fire as we can around the thing. Big up FDX music, you know? Yeah, man, he always gives me the ideas of like traditional Jamaican food. Do you know what I'm saying? And he was saying, this one and this one. I said, yo, but I've done that. And he said, gully bean. Susumba. I said, wow, I've never heard of that. The whole week I've been trying to find it. Ringo took me one place today and we find it. You get me? So I'm going to be doing a susumba soup. A gully bean soup. You know what I mean? Really, really traditional Jamaican food. So, yeah, big up Ross in there, you know?
Come on, mate.
He's not on the liquor today, people. He's on the easy one.
Time to get fit.
Alright, so here what now, yeah? Just need to put something on the side and make the thing blaze up because I can hear the mud sizzling. That means it's drying.
Right. Yeah.
So for anything to cook, the mud has to be rock hard.
Yeah.
Ben, we outside, you know. Yeah, man, it's a vibes. We're outside.
Hoi! Right. We're trying to find. We need wood. We need more wood. Come on, boy! Working. Jaja. To some people, man. Don't tell you that. Right? You don't press that subscribe button. You the thing. Hey, Ross, grab hold of that boy. Yeah, grab hold of that that's on there, boy. You know what I mean? We got wood, fire. You know, come on, blaze this up in a people.
No, better.
No.
In us, the round kitchen now.
You know what's sick? I see yesterday.
We're in the kitchen.
You know, you can make like a mud actual oven, like with clay, mud, and rocks. We're gonna try and do that as well. But for now, yeah, man, we have our outside mud wood kitchen. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna be honest with you, Ben. But it's up and coming productions. Not quite there yet, it's just up and coming. Hey! 24-hour kitchen. Press that in the light button. Oi! That is it, Ringo, that is it!
Yeah, man.
Fire breathers!
Tell us if I am not done,
Yeah,
yeah, no fire underneath the better.
true, man.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, man, hungry. Ross, you hungry? Ah. Yo, this steak better cook, innit? Got man's hungry. Right now, me and Ringo consume one June plum. One Jamaican June plum because we don't know if it's gonna work.
Oh, yeah. I'm so hungry. I feel like that. Yeah.
Carrots and June plum for the time being.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully this steak cooks.
No, I mean it's like that.
You want it?
Yeah, man, I feel it's that. I mean, I put the chicken in that. No.
Oh yeah, string it to it.
Yeah, string it.
Yeah. So he's cooking quail on his episode today. So make sure you go and check it out. No man, they're called quails, but in French they call them poisson.
Oh, poisson. But
Poisson is chicken in French.
Okay.
I believe. If I've got that wrong, I'm gonna look like a ripe plum.
You don't really too know, you know.
Yeah man, I'm gonna look like a ripe plum. But poisson, I believe, is chicken in French. And it's a quail that he's cooking.
Ross, you come back this time.
Oh, where should I put this?
Hey Ross, you banged the wrong thing.
Oh shit. What do I want to get? Not them little seed things.
The little portable barbecue grill.
This yeah. He's gone to get the barbecue and brought back a bit of metal.
Oh mate. Well, where's the portable barbecue? That's all I saw in the thing, innit? I was literally looking for that square thing he's on about.
It's in the back seat.
Oh yeah, that's probably right, isn't it?
You're up.
Oh no, innit?
Russell, you alright?
I don't know, I should have done with alcohol today, you know? I would have been on point. No, I'm good. I swear, I thought we brought the square thing with us in the bag, innit? But obviously...
Yeah, sugar cane, everything good.
Oh no, innit? I'll see.
Listen. We're outside. Because it's season 6. And I say, you know what? I'm not gonna go indoors for a little while. And I'm gonna give you some wicked episode. Season 6 is not gonna be like season 5. Do you know why? Because that was season 5 and season 6. No, I'm honestly stepping it up. Me and Ringo are stepping it up. And look on the surroundings, man. Production. Do you know what I'm saying? It's all right having these crazy ideas, but now I have to do them in nice environment. Yo, a nice spot in a Ringo.
Yeah. Proper clean.
See what I like? I love nature, you know? It makes me feel like I'm in Jamaica again. We got sugar cane, June plum, trees, nature.
Evergreen as well.
Evergreen. So you know, enough time in England, yeah, I look round upon the trees them and just carny and skinny up like them nana food. Sun deprived. Trees we are pretty for the year, yeah. Hey, I hope this is done, people. I really do. I really do, because I'm starving. Alright, let's get that away. Alright, there we go. There's our mud. It's gone hard. So, woohoo! Yeah. All right. I hope this is cooked. Of truth, people. It's the moment of truth.
Let me say the wrap. So that's for that now.
Yeah. It smells good.
Wait. Get in there.
Oi.
Oi. Cooked.
You reckon?
It's cooked.
You reckon?
Cooked. It's burn up. It burn up.
All right. It smells really nice, man. And true. Okay. Oh gosh! See the Scotch bonnet just melted into that, bro. Wow! Wow! Look at that, people.
Mad thing.
Aye. Do you know what? I really didn't think that was gonna work.
Wait there.
Good man. Remember that's a sirloin steak, so.
Yeah, good man.
Yeah. Look at that, people. That nicely. Yeah, we'll cut that in a minute. We'll end there, come on, get them kitchen. Look at that knife there. Yeah! Oi! Season 6 at work. Look, let me just scrape the Scotch bonnet and the pepper off there, because you can smell that.
Yeah, the
coming
Scotch
off.
bonnet gave it a mad.
Oh, it gives it a really, really nice flavour. Look at that, man. Lovely. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
There we go.
You cook us.
Some pink on there and all. Yeah, that's what you wanted. Obviously, I like my
Just
pink,
right.
but still.
Just right, look at that. Yeah? That's just over like medium rare, so like
Yeah.
a good yo, we cut up this and try this now, man.
Mad.
Yeah.
Soft enough.
It's soft and nice, man. Alright, so that's my piece there. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Cooked in mud, people. Steak cooked in mud. I don't know why you'd ever do that, but...
Look, see there, look, it's bare pieces.
Alright, sit there. I know everybody want to get them piece. Cameraman, you have to wait. Sorry, bro. Ross.
Thanks very much. Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Alright, so I'm going to dip mine in that little
Yeah, I'm gonna
sauce there.
Scotch bonnet, man.
Oh, it smells amazing. Really good. Good beef. The Scotch bonnet. Good, really nice.
Taste the Scotch bonnet, yeah.
How's it coming, Ross?
Really nice, man.
Jeez. Wow, so. Who would have thought it? Who would have thought you could cook steak in mud? Not underground, in mud. Yeah? So you know anything, got people? We got Ringo Vision. Every time. We got Ross.
Come on. Big up M. Ringo.
We got Up and Coming Productions.
Yes, Ben. Big up yourself. You done know. Ben's the man. He made it happen. Capture the moment. Yeah.
Here we go. The aftermath. You know what I'm saying? We got cut one nice piece of steak for Ben now.
Yeah, that is.
Be nice. Really nice. The Scotch bonnet. Let's give it a new flavour.
Blends in with it, man. Come on, slice a bit off me, please, Ringo.
So there you have it, people. Steak cooked in the mud.
That's nice, man.
What more can I do?
My brother.
Ringo,
Thank you.
Yo.
what more can I do?
What more for we gonna do? But at this present moment, we don't need to do nothing else.
Listen, it's still on Sunday. We're doing something crazy again. Just don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. Ringo Vision, Cook and Brand, Up and Coming Production. You don't know anything yet. I'll see you soon. Bye. Big up, big up. All my cooker vibers, just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Yes, people. Listen, you've had steak cooked in mud. We've been outside all day. It's been freezing. You get me? You've had blood orange. Big up section now. Please, please press that subscribe button and that like button. I really would appreciate it. Yeah, big up Kane, and that's spelled with K-A-I. Well, you can see it on the screen. I don't know why I'm spelling it out. I'm not sure what's more impressive, the cooking or the fact that the train turned up on time in the UK. Yo, that is so true. That is so true, bro. That comment had to get a big up. So big up yourself, my G. And also big up Casey Weir. I don't know if I said that right, but was having a bad day until man said, please subscribe or your fingernails will go rusty. It's true, honestly. Big up for returning the smile to my day. Boy. You know anything, go? Yes, season 6, full effect. You know what I'm saying? It's Thursday. I'll see you on Sunday. We got another mad thing on Sunday. Trust me, it's non-stop this season. Trust me, boy.